Install a rearview mirror monitor in your car. Auto video systems are becoming a hit. In fact, even the simple rearview mirror has now a video monitor version. The installation procedure for the rearview mirror monitor is not as complicated as its video technology, so if you are planning to have one for your car, trust that you can very easily install it. Here's a general guide. Disconnect the car battery. Before you start, make sure to disconnect the cables of your battery. This is very important to avoid any electrical damages in your car. If you don't know how to do this, consult your car manual. Remember not to manipulate your battery or battery cables if you have no experience in doing this. Better to have someone do it for you or obtain instructions from the car manual. Detach the rearview mirror. The rearview mirror monitor should be placed where the rearview mirror is, so you must first remove this before installing the rearview mirror monitor. Using a screwdriver, begin to loosen the screws until the rearview mirror comes off the bracket. Place the rearview mirror in a box for storage. Mount the rearview mirror monitor. Fit the rearview mirror monitor into the mounting bracket of the rearview mirror. Make sure it fits well. Then, using the screws that come with the rearview mirror monitor, tighten it in place. The rearview mirror monitor should be tightly secured. If not, it might fall off and eventually get damaged. Connect the cables. Now that the rearview mirror monitor is in place, you can begin attaching the cables to your video system. Use the owner's manual for this. In any case, though, this involves connecting the power and video cables. Use tapes or ties to keep the cables in one place. Connect the battery cables. Now that the rearview mirror monitor is in place, you can begin reconnecting your battery cables. Then, start your engine. Turn on the rearview mirror monitor through the selector box. You know you have correctly installed the rearview mirror monitor if it works properly. Test the rearview mirror monitor. Use the rearview mirror monitor while in reverse. Check that it renders clear and defined videos and that it is in perfect condition. Because of potential dangers, do not attempt to use the rearview monitor while driving. Use it only when backing up or you need assistance when moving in small and dark areas. Here are a few things you need to remember when installing a rearview mirror monitor. 1. You must always consult the owner's manual. It has clear and precise installation instructions according to your rearview monitor model. 2. Use the proper tools. This ensures that the job is done safely and efficiently. And 3. You must seek the help of a professional mechanic if you can't install the rearview mirror monitor yourself. Although installation is pretty simple to do, you must not risk installing it if you are not confident of your technical skills. Better spend for a mechanic's professional fee than buy another rearview mirror monitor or spend for repair.